Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to send photos as snaps on Snapchat. So first is to open your Snapchat account. So go ahead on your chat. So this is how it looks like if you're chatting randomly to a person. Now for us to make our photos as snaps, tap on this bottom left gallery icon and just choose any picture that you wish to use. For example, this one, and then press this pen bottom on the bottom left, long press until you see this page, and all you have to do is to tap on remix snap, and then in here you have to make sure that the picture will not be distorted or too close because it will really be like this. So make sure that you have a good space for you to take your picture or your photo, and then after that you can click send to and choose where to send that snap. And then once you're done, let us check if it was delivered as snap or a message. So let's go back to our chats, and as you can see, this is the picture, or this is the person that I delivered the message, and it was sent as snap. So just repeat the process if you wish to do it more. And that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos to come.